Adho Mukha Svanasana. In Sanskrit, Adho means downward, Mukha means face, Shwana means dog, Asana means posture. In English, it's called downward facing dog posture. Steps and adjustments of Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sit in Vajrasana, hands on your thighs. From here, take one elbow and palm distance from your knees and slowly come into tabletop position. Tuck your toes, extend your knees and slowly lengthen your tailbone towards the sky. Come into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog posture. Make sure your knees are straight and your shoulder blades are away from your ears. Maintain in the final position from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. With exhalation, bring your knees down, release your toes and slowly relax in child's pose. Variations of Adho Mukha Svanasana. Variation number 1. Come into tabletop position, tuck your toes, extend your knees, lengthen your tailbone towards the sky and lift your right leg all the way towards the ceiling. Maintain in the final position from as long as comfortable from your side and slowly bring it down. Try to practice the same with using your left leg. Variation number 2. Come into tabletop position, tuck your toes, extend your knees, lengthen your tailbone towards the sky. Now with exhalation, lift your right leg all the way towards the sky and slowly bend your knees. Maintain in the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. And slowly do it on the other side. Benefits of Adho Mukha Svanasana. Number 1. This asana strengthens muscles of your shoulder, arms and your legs. Number 2. Increases flexibility in your spine and hamstring and your calf muscles. Number 3. Rejuvenates the spinal nerves. Contraindications of Adho Mukha Svanasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with wrist, hip and ankle injuries, and people with high blood pressure, and people with dislocated shoulder, and lastly carpal tunnel syndrome.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.